Are you recording? Hi, my name is Vang and I'm a dog grooming expert. And today we are going to show you how to clip your small dog's nails. The items that you need are a quick stop, a pair of scissors, and an extra pair of hands. All right, let's go. First, find a table that's waist high and have them standing in a standard position like this. Now gently grab your dog's outside paw, lifting it up and guiding it towards the back. Make sure to be gentle. When trimming your dog's nails, it's extremely important to know where the quick and the growing nail meet. The quick is a pink and fleshy color, while the nails are white. It's important to note that if you clip beyond the nail and into the quick, you will soon see blood, so have your quick stop right next to you to help you stop the bleeding. When you're done with the first paw, you can flip your dog around and do the other paw. Remember to gently lift the paw up and move it towards the back. Oh, and don't forget about your dog's dew claw. This is the most missed nail ever. Have a good and gentle grip onto your dog's dew claw and make sure you're not clipping beyond the quick. Give yourself a high five because you learned how to clip a small dog's nail. Woo woo! And you're done, Brownie.